Today's recipe is about Jeera Biscuits, Cumin Seeds Cookies. Here you go, check this out. It's yummy. Let's start. Ingredients are 1 cup whole wheat flour, or you can take all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup gram flour besan, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a tablespoon of baking powder, half a tablespoon of sea salt or normal salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. If you have vanilla essence, I would recommend only 2 to 3 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of warm milk. Not necessarily we'll use all, but we'll use as needed. And of course the cumin seeds roasted. Mix butter and sugar and whip it. Sugar and butter is nicely mixed. I'm going to add the besan, gram flour, and your all-purpose flour or wheat flour. Just going to stir a little bit. I'm going to add baking powder, salt, vanilla extract. If it is vanilla essence, just couple of drops. Going to add cumin seeds in the base. For the toppings we will add as well. This is just for the dough. Give it a stir. Add the warm milk little bit first because we want the thick dough. So I made the rolls like this. Okay, the intention is to cut in square. So I'm going to cut this. This is good. Suppose this is the one. I'm going to just shape it in a square way. Square or rectangular. And then I'm just going to give the design just like a slit. Like this. Let's finish this.